Lot 224, the 1958 Aston Martin DB2 Mark III Drophead Coupe, for which 100% of the proceeds will be donated to fulfill a $1 million pledge to St. Joseph's Elementary School, a very good cause. We can't imagine a more stunning Aston, of course. First off, those colors of Aston green over green with optional Barani wire wheels, but more importantly, that trademark Mark III design, rare left-hand drive specification, and a complete nut and bolt restoration by Kevin K with triple carburetors, 5-speed gearbox, and much, much more. An absolutely stunning DB Mark III.
Thank you very much, Alan. What should we say, ladies and gentlemen? I say we open the bidding here at $400,000. What do you think? 400,000, 400, anywhere in the room? 400, thank you, Barney. $400,000 I have. Telephones are coming through, 400,000. 450 000, bien sûr. Avec toi, genre 450 000, l'enchère ici devant moi, à 450 000. Oui, avec toi. Oui, bonsoir, oui. 500,000, thank you. At $500,000 then the bids on the telephone. On est à 500 000 contre toi, est-ce que j'ai 550 000? At 500,000, 525 si tu veux. At 500,000 then I'm selling the car on my right at $500,000. Well, that trumps you. $600,000 I am bid in the room. That's 600,000. Well then, Annette, now what? At $600,000 then, the bids in the room, 650, 650,000 on my right. Well, that was a very valiant effort, sir. We should all bid like you at $650,000, and it's on the telephone and selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. Make no mistake. On est à 650 000, et je plus ici à droite. D'accord, just pour être sûr. At 650,000, then it's on the telephone and it's selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. I'm counting the car down at 675,000 on my left here. So I have 700,000 now on the telephone. $700,000 on the telephone. So I have 725 now. We're at $700,000 then. 725,000 here in the room. 725,000. So I have 750 back in with me on the telephone. That's 750,000 now. 775,000 I'm bid here in the room. So I have $800,000 I'm bid on the telephone. This is when it gets exciting now. So I have $825,000 now. We're at 800,000, 825,000 back in with me. At 825, it's in the room again. At 850,000. I didn't realize you liked Astons as well. How many of these do you have? 875 on the telephone. 875,000. Do I have 900 for either of you gentlemen? $900,000 on my left. 925 in the room or on the telephone. 925,000. 950 now. You know what they say in England, in for a penny, in for a pound. At 925, $950,000 I am bid. Do I have 975,000 on the telephone? Well, the logical next bid, of course, in this proceedings, it is $1 million. It's on the telephone at 975. Are you sure, sir? I was having so much fun. Really, I was. It's great. Well, at 975,000, then I'm selling to the telephone, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely no mistake. It's going for the first time. It's slipping away from you here, and you're out here on my right as well. At $975,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and very last time at $975,000. Then are we all done? All finished? Sold your car, well done. 7591, 975.